Can AI replace songwriters and beat makers in the future? Humans have made music for enjoyment, but now computers have also started playing their roles. Let's start with the beat. AI can generate amazing beats for your music. They're like musical wizards inside your computer, effortlessly conjuring up cool rhythms. Amper Music, for example, acts as your virtual bandmate, creating beats that complement your style. Google's Magenta and IBM Watson Beat work together to create melodies and rhythms on the fly. Besides, you have Beethoven, Sounddraw, Beatbot, and others. These AI-generated lyrics and music utilize complex algorithms to generate customized beats for you. What's great about AI beat makers is that they save time, inspire music artists, and provide limitless beat-making possibilities. They aren't replacing human artists, but jamming with them, making music more enjoyable and exciting. Next, we have AI melody makers, your songwriting partners. These musical geniuses effortlessly create beautiful tunes. Consider the Amadeus Code. It's like your personal composer creating melodies to fit your preferences, or Ava, the AI maestro who creates classical compositions. These AI wizards do not replace music artists, but collaborate with them, inspiring creativity while saving time. They're upping the ante, making music creation more exciting and approachable. So the next time you hum a catchy tune, remember it may be AI-generated lyrics and melody. Now let's talk about AI remixers, your DJ buddies who transform songs into exciting new versions. They offer infinite options and generate custom remixes, adapting tracks to your preferences and making every listening experience unique. Endless Studio, for example, works with you to remix tracks in real time, adding new beats and vibes. Then there's Lander, which uses artificial intelligence to improve your mix, making it sound more professional and polished. However, these AI wizards don't steal the show. Rather, they enhance it by breathing new life into your favorite songs. These AI-generated lyrics and remixes redefine music by making remixing accessible to everyone and elevating your music playlists to new heights. The magic of AI collaborations can be seen in the image of your favorite pop star working with a computer genius. Today, music artists can produce whole albums with AI, like Taryn Southern's album, I Am AI. She used Amper AI, for example, to help her create catchy songs. AI was used by the DJ duo Daft Punk for their song Doing It Right. It is not just these well-known artists who can work with AI to create wonders. Aspiring artists can also use these musical wizards and make people go crazy. With apps like Endless Studio, Ava, Mubert, Lander Music, and others, music artists can collaborate to create amazing music. These AI-generated lyrics and partnerships are revolutionizing the music industry, pushing the limits of creativity and making algorithms the newest band members. Now consider you hear a beautiful melody on the radio and want to play it on your instrument immediately. Instant music transcription can help with that. The song can be listened to and instantly converted into sheet music using apps like Soundsliss. AI can even translate the humming of a melody into musical notes. There is no longer a need for music artists to work hard to capture a passing melody. Whether you're a professional artist or just someone who enjoys playing music, it's like carrying a musical notepad in your pocket, ensuring you never miss a beat. AI magic is not limited to producing amazing songs and music, but has also revolutionized how we listen to them. Think of a playlist that is more familiar to you than your friend. That is the magic of AI-powered personalized playlists. The Discover Weekly feature on Spotify selects new songs based on your listening preferences. With the Music Genome Project on Pandora, stations are personalized for you. Additionally, AI-powered music streaming services like Apple Music and YouTube Music learn your preferences and play songs that speak to your soul. You can always find your favorite songs with personalized playlists and new songs. Every listening session becomes a delight as AI acts as a musical genie, fulfilling your wishes. Thus, AI-generated lyrics and music are revolutionizing the music industry, making it more open, individualized, and creative than ever. It does not intend to replace real human artists. Instead, it fosters their creativity and provides music lovers with new avenues to enjoy their favorite songs. Therefore, prepare to dance to the beat of AI-generated lyrics and melodies. Let the exciting age of AI and music inspire you to embark on a new musical journey. Discover the limitless possibilities of AI and music and embrace the future where technology and creativity harmoniously coexist.